What is the most dangerous animal on Earth? Sharks? Snakes? Humans? Of course, the answer depends on how you define danger. If you judge by how many people an animal kills each year, the answer is none of the above. It's mosquitoes. Based on a chart from Bill Gates' blog, we decided to rank the deadliest animals in the world. As it turns out, most deaths caused by animals have less to do with the animals themselves than with the diseases they unwittingly carry. Here are the world's deadliest animals. Advertisement 13. Sharks, 13 deaths a year. The world's most dangerous animals. The total number of confirmed unprovoked incidents worldwide in 2020 was below the average for the past 5 years, 2015 to 2019, when there were 80 incidents annually. Last year there were 13 shark-related fatalities, 10 of which were confirmed as unprovoked. 12. Elephants, 500 deaths a year. Elephants are also responsible for the annual loss of life. A 2005 National Geographic article stated that 500 people a year are killed by elephant attacks. However, many more elephants have been killed by humans. 11. Hippos, 500 deaths a year. Hippos have long been considered the deadliest animals in Africa. They are known for their aggressiveness toward humans and regularly capsize boats. 10. Tapeworms, 700 deaths a year. Cysticercosis, which is contracted from this parasite, kills about 700 people each year. 9. Crocodiles, 1,000 deaths a year. Crocodiles are now considered a large animal that, according to the Food and Agriculture Organization, is responsible for the largest number of human deaths in Africa, although the exact numbers are unknown. 8. Ascarids, 4,500 deaths per year. An estimated 807 to 1.2 billion people worldwide are infected with ascarids, Ascaris lumbricoides. According to a 2013 study, ascarids cause a disease called ascariasis, which kills about 4,500 people each year. The WHO notes that the infection occurs in the small intestine of humans, and the disease more often affects children than adults. 7. Tsetse fly, 10,000 deaths a year. The tsetse fly carries sleeping sickness, a parasitic infection that initially causes headaches, fever, joint pain and itching, and later can cause serious neurological problems. The number of deaths is decreasing every year. There are now about 10,000 deaths a year. 6. Predators, 12,000 deaths per year. Predators, also known as kissing bugs, are carriers of Chagas disease, which causes an average of 12,000 deaths per year. The pathogen enters the skin wound through the feces of the insect. 5. Freshwater snails, more than 20,000 deaths per year. The freshwater snail is a vector of parasitic worms that infect people with schistosomiasis. The disease causes severe abdominal pain and blood in feces or urine. Millions of people are infected with the disease, and the WHO estimates that between 20,000 and 200,000 people die from schistosomiasis each year. For dogs, 35,000 deaths per year. Dogs infected with the rabies virus are among the deadliest animals in the world, although the virus is preventable with vaccines. According to the WHO, about 35,000 deaths a year can be attributed to rabies, and 99% of these cases are caused by dogs. 3. Snakes, 138,000 deaths per year. Snake bite is a public health problem that is neglected in many tropical and subtropical countries. About 5.4 million snake bites occur each year, resulting in 1.8 to 2.7 million cases. Snakebite poisoning. There are between 81,410 and 137,880 deaths annually, and about 3 times as many cases of limb amputation and other irreversible health impairments. 2. Humans, 437,000 deaths a year. According to the United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime, there were about 464,000 murders worldwide in 2017, making humans the second deadliest animal for humans. We are not yet our own worst enemy, but we are very close to it. 1. Mosquitoes, 750,000 deaths a year. The pesky and annoying insects that drink our blood and thus transmit viruses from human to human have the most animal-related deaths on their conscience. An estimated 409,000 people died from malaria alone in 2019, mostly in sub-Saharan Africa, though the disease is on the decline. Children under the age of 5 are particularly susceptible to malaria. In 2019, they accounted for 67%, 274,000, of all malaria deaths worldwide. Dengue fever, another mosquito-borne disease, has been the leading cause of hospitalization and death for many children in some Asian and Latin American countries.